My Traeger smoked chicken recipe is loaded with flavor from the pellet smoker grill, and I'm going to show you how to make the best smoked whole chicken without brine. You just need your favorite barbecue seasoning or rub. So let's get in the kitchen, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how we make our Traeger smoked chicken. Here we go. So the first thing you have to do is you prepare the whole chicken. So you want to rinse and pat the whole chicken dry with a paper towel. And then you just add on your favorite barbecue rub seasoning. You use your hands and a little olive oil, and you get in and you massage all the seasoning into the skin along the way. And then if you want, one thing we like to do is we like to tie the legs together with twine and tuck the wings into the thighs if desired. Here's a little look at the barbecue rub we're using. I'll leave a link for that below. So twine is one of those things that we can never find when we need it, but luckily we located it. So you just tie up the legs and give them a knot, and then sometimes you'll find that the wings can tuck really nicely into the thighs. If so, you want to do that. And then it's time to preheat the smoker, and while the smoker is preheating for about 15 minutes, you can pop the chicken in the fridge. Get the full directions at sipbitego for my technique there, but if you are low on time, you can just add the chicken to the Traeger, and you can see we had it in there with some smoked corn on the cob. You can get that recipe at sipbitego too, but that came out much earlier. So then it was time for the smoked chicken to come off the grill. When it was done smoking for about 2 to 3 hours, this was done at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, but I also have information for cooking smoked chicken at 375 degrees. It will change the amount of time it takes to cook, and I find it's just a little bit more tender at 250 degrees, but this is a super simple Traeger smoked whole chicken recipe, so you can speed it up and it'll still be delicious, juicy chicken. Doesn't that look so good? You just go ahead and we like to serve it in pieces so people can just kind of grab what they want at the table. So my husband here, as you can see, is carving off the legs and then the 2 breasts. And here's just a look at our super simple dinner that night. Went great with an IPA. I don't even know exactly what he's drinking, but he always has IPA, so it's definitely IPA. But anyways, make sure to check out the whole recipe for smoked chicken at sipbitego. And I have another recipe that you're totally gonna love. Check it out. These smoked chicken wings are so freaking delicious. If you haven't tried cooking wings in the smoker, like a Traeger or pellet grill, you are missing out. All you do is season the wings, you prep the smoker, put them in there. There's 2 different temperatures you need to use to get super crispy skin and a really tender pull apart inside. And I'm sharing all of those details with you on the smoked chicken wings video from sipbitego. For more delicious things to cook, if you're into outdoor cooking or indoor cooking, make sure to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious things heading your way. All right, foodies, well, you should have all the kitchen confidence you need to make this delicious smoked whole chicken at home, and I hope that you have a wonderful meal and a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!